Working with Oracle databases and encountered a PLC file with stored procedure code? These files contain the heart of database business logic. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read, edit, and deploy Oracle PL SQL source code files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective PLC file solution for the tough cases near the end. A PLC file contains source code written in PL/SQL, Procedural Language Structured Query Language, Oracle's extension for the SQL database language. Developers and database administrators use these files to create, store, and execute stored procedures, functions, and triggers within an Oracle database environment. As a plain text file, the PLC format is designed for maximum portability and compatibility with any text editor or version control system. Its structure follows the PL/SQL syntax, which combines the data manipulating power of SQL with the procedural processing features of a programming language like conditional statements and loops. The direct link for opening PLC files is established with Oracle Database from Oracle Corporation. Windows can read the file's external properties, but not the internal data structure. Windows shows only what the script contains, while the runtime determines how it behaves. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the PLC file and hit Open With. Use Oracle Database if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If you are still having trouble opening the PLC file, do not worry. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, opening an SQL developer. Install Oracle SQL Developer, free from oracle.com, and open the PLC file using File then Open. The integrated editor provides syntax highlighting code completion and PL/SQL parser validation. Connect to your Oracle database to compile and execute the code with full debugging capabilities for testing stored procedures and functions. Next, editing in code editors. Open PLC files in Visual Studio Code with the Oracle Developer Tools or Oracle PL/SQL extension for syntax highlighting and code intelligence. Notepad++ also supports PL/SQL highlighting through its language settings. These editors work well for quick edits, while SQL Developer remains preferred for full database, integration, and debugging features. Finally, compiling to the database. Connect to Oracle Database using SQL+ or SQL Developer, and compile PLC content using the alsert command, pointing to the file path. Review compilation errors with show errors command and fix issues in the source. Use proper schema permissions and follow change management practices when deploying PLC code to production database environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.